picture. There's pictures from you.
What did you get today in the mail?
I don't know.
Who's it from?
Yummy?
Yummy.
I think that's that. That's a tissue box. That's a tissue box.
It's a tissue box. Maybe she sent you a box of tissues.
I don't know.
What does Gammy always send you?
I don't know. Present.
Presents.
There's this little present.
I'm gonna get the tape off. Okay, now try.
What's that? There's snacks in it. There's snacks in it.
There's snacks. What kind of snacks?
There's a Lucky Charm. And there's one I don't want to eat this. No. No, Mommy. Lucky Charm.
What else did you get?
What's that?
Animal crackers.
And more.
And more animal crackers.
And cookies. Cookies.
Chocolate chip cookies.
And these cookies. And then cookies, Mom.
And some more cookies.
Oh. And what's that? What's that? And more animal crackers. And more and some snacks. And stickers in a car. Stickers in a car. Stickers in a car.
Oh, is that a little sticker book? What does her note say?
I don't know.
Look, can you read it?
Let's read it.
It says, "Hi Tyler, here are some snacks that you can use for your lunch. Also a bowl of your favorite cereal that you can have for breakfast before you go to school. Hugs and kisses, Gammy and Pap."
I got cookies.
Yes, you did. Now what are you going to tell Gammy?
Thank you. And cookies. Yeah.